Hey everyone, it's Nicole from NumLookup, and today we're diving into a super exciting topic. Well, at least for phone nerds like me. We're comparing NumLookup with traditional phone directories. Spoiler alert, it's like comparing your smartphone with a paper from the 90s. All right, let's get into it. I can hear the sound, I can hear the beat. I can feel the bass, I can feel the heat. First off, let's talk about accessibility. Remember the good old days of flipping through a giant phone book? Yeah, neither do I. NumLookup, on the other hand, is as easy as pie. You just type in a number online and voila, information at your fingertips. No paper cuts involved. Next up, let's talk about updates. Traditional directories are printed, once a year? By the time you get it, half the info is like your New Year's resolutions, outdated and forgotten. But NumLookup? It's updated constantly, so you get the latest info faster than you can say, who's calling? Now, accuracy. Let's be real. Traditional directories sometimes feel like they're playing a game of telephone. What's that? John moved 3 years ago? But with NumLookup, our data is sourced from up-to-date public records and user feedback. It's like having a detective in your pocket, minus the trench coat. And lastly, convenience. Carrying around a phone book? Not practical unless you're doubling it as a workout. NumLookup, however, is just a click away with any device. You can even use it while chilling on your couch, in your pajamas, eating pizza. Not that I've done that. But in all seriousness, while traditional phone directories had their time and place, digital platforms like NumLookup are the future. They're fast, accurate, and fit right into our modern on-the-go lifestyles. And that's it, folks. Traditional phone directories versus NumLookup. It's pretty clear which one is ringing in the new era. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech talk. And remember, stay curious and keep exploring. I can hear the sound, I can hear